Welcome to the Navigating Through Project Share video series. In this video, we will highlight the features found on the TEA Project Share website at www.projectsharetexas.org. We will also explore and learn about Project Share basics like the groups and courses toolsets, as well as the content repository. Let's begin by answering the question, what is Project Share? Project Share is a collection of Web 2.0 tools and applications that provides quality professional development in an interactive and engaging learning environment. Project Share leverages existing and new professional development resources for K-12 teachers across the state and builds professional learning communities where educators can collaborate and participate in online learning opportunities. Begin your day with the official TEA Project Share website at www.projectsharetexas.org. On this site, you can read news, view videos, explore and browse the course catalog listing of newly added items to Project Share, as well as explore the vast media resources on iTunes U. Here's an example of a news update, the Student Guide to Project Share. Here is an example of a Project Share overview video. The course catalog can be found on the right-hand side of the website. This offers information about the courses that can be found on Project Share. To explore the assets on iTunes U, click the Apple logo to launch the iTunes application. This media content repository hosts assets from major universities, museums, and other public agencies from around the world. Use the Power Search quick link to begin your search for assets by title, description, or publishing institution. Click the Search button to begin your search. Click on the content you wish to view, listen to, or read. This set of media has been developed by the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department. You can click the play button to view its media on Mexican free-tailed bats. Let's return to the Project Share homepage on www.projectsharetexas.org. This website has news, videos, the Project Share course catalog, iTunes U, and content for Texas educators and students. You can also log in to your Project Share account by typing your username and password on the upper right corner of the screen. If you do not have an account or have forgotten your password, you can click Forgot Password for help. Once you've logged into Project Share, you will see the My Portal screen. From this screen, you can update postings, view the My Network channel and gadgets, as well as use the search box to find people, groups, or courses in Epsilon. Epsilon is the software platform for Project Share. The most helpful area of the My Portal screen is the left-hand Tools menu. This menu has many Web 2.0 tools to help you make the most of your online experience with Project Share, with options like the Groups toolset, the Courses toolset, and the Content repository. With the Groups toolset, you can create a group or search for a group to join. Here, we're going to search for the group Texas Reading Institute Resources. Clicking the Groups Tool button on the left-hand menu will open the Groups tabs. These tabs list the groups you've either created or owned, groups you're a member of, groups you've been invited to, groups you've requested to join, and any deleted groups. Once you are in a group, you will see the group home screen. A left-hand Groups tool menu will help you make the most out of your collaborative experience by accessing the Dropbox to download, email, or add shared group files. Other options within the Groups tool menu may include announcements, wikis, forums, chats, and mail. With the Courses toolset, you can create a course, search for a course, view your invitations, and requests for joining a course. Clicking the Courses tool button will also open the Courses tabs to see courses that you are currently in, any archived courses, all courses that are open to your institution, all courses that you are in that are open to all of Epsilon, and any course license status for courses that you've created. Once you are in a course, you will see the course home screen. A left-hand Courses tool menu will help you make the most out of your online learning experience by viewing the syllabus and lessons within the course. The Course tool menu may also have options for viewing resources, Dropboxes, announcements, mail, other members in the course, taking notes, the gradebook, tests and quizzes, student reports, or any other custom tools. To see the list of lessons offered in the course, click on the Lessons tool. Select a lesson that you want to begin. Clicking the Next button can get you to the next screen for that lesson. You may also click the Previous button to see the previous screen for that lesson. To go back to your My Portal screen, be sure to exit the course. From the My Portal screen, you can access the vast resources of ProjectShare's content repository by selecting the Content Repository tool. Clicking the Content Repository tool button launches the New York Times Knowledge Network content repository. You can access the numerous assets from multiple providers like the New York Times, Texas PBS, and other Knowledge Network users. Click on Open the Content Repository. The New York Times Knowledge Network repository has a search box that allows you to enter a keyword and search. You may narrow your search by selecting a time frame by using the drop-down menu. You can better define your search parameters by using the Advanced Search button and selecting grade level, subject area, and content type. Search results are categorized by content types such as multimedia, articles, and lesson plans created by the New York Times Knowledge Network. You can select assets by clicking on the green plus button. Selecting the green add icon places the asset into a template tray. The template tray houses all the content assets that you've selected. You may select multiple content pieces to add to the template tray. To view the content you've selected, simply click on the title of the asset and view it in a new browser tab. Arrange your content by using the green arrow icons to move them up or down within the template tray. You may also delete content by clicking on the red minus button. Once you are satisfied with your template tray, you can save it and return to it later. The ProjectShare Support Center at the Institute for Public School Initiatives at University of Texas, Austin, has developed a series of videos for accessing and using the New York Times Knowledge Network. For additional practice in navigating through ProjectShare, you can find and join the following courses: Improving Student Performance Best Practices in Intervention and Acceleration, the ELAR Text for K2, or the New York Times Lessons for Elementary. Practice finding media assets on iTunes U using the search parameters for bats, NASA, or tigers. Always remember to log in to Project Share from the TEA website, www.projectsharetexas.org. Be sure to find and join our group, Texas Reading Institute Resources, to access participant materials and updates. Join and find the following courses: ELAR Text K2, New York Times Lessons for Elementary, Improving Student Performance, Best Practices in Intervention and Acceleration. We also have SLAR Text K2 and 3.6 coming soon, as well as the English Language Arts and Reading text for 3.5 opening fall 2011. This concludes our video on navigating through Project Share, exploring online resources, session 32 of the Texas Reading Institute's Summer 2011.